Alright, hello everyone, you're welcome back to Shamzmedia, and this is Zaka Shamaki. I will also today I want to show you how you can fix a problem or this problem in OBS. The first time I started using OBS, I got stumbled with an audio issue. And then when I discovered the way out, I now decided to do a video to bring a clarity to this. So what am I talking about? Let's head down to the OBS and see. Okay, a lot of people have issue with audio, right? You have issue with audio, you have your video playing on for instance, you have your video playing. You have your video playing. Something like this. You have your video playing. What's wrong? You have your video playing, but without text. Sorry, I'm coming. Don't want this video to be long. Where are these my videos? Okay, let me use this. Alright, play. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. You have your video playing, but you discover there's no audio on your video. You have tried your possible best and you don't know what to do. So I want to show you the way out. So go to your settings. First of all, navigate to your settings on OBS. Allow it to load. Okay, now you're on your settings, right? In your settings, you come to audio output. Okay, so a lot of people have issue on OBS not giving them sound. So you can see from here now, global audio devices. Okay, so from here now you can click on this down button. Then you see that the first time if you install your audio, you see that it is telling you that everything about audio is disabled, right? So now you come into OBS, what do you need to do is to come and enable audio, right? Enable what? Audio. You can put it on default, but like for me, I put it on sound card. Can you see now? This is my sound card. I connect my system to sound card. So you click on this, and then your desktop also must be selected, right? Sound card, or this is my desktop audio device. So like that. Okay, so you select them like that. So once it's done, then you apply. Okay, you apply. Now coming to this, now you discover that after doing this you don't still have sound. What do you need to do again? So first of all, you head down, you click on this dot button, and then you select advanced. Okay, now under your advanced is what is going to give you a room where you can be able to apply all your settings. So you see now, this is the audio I'm using. So you must first of all come and make sure that this box is ticked and all of them. Then you come to audio monitoring. Now you see all my own is turned off. You see that once your monitor is turned off, you will not get sound from anywhere, either from your sound card or anything. So what you need to do is to come here and make sure you turn on all this. You turn on this monitor output so as to enable you have your audio output very. So you see now that my audio is coming out, right? So now I have audio. Why? Because I turn on what? My audio output. So see it here now. This is it 2. So let's see if I turn it off. If I turn it off, you discover that I will not be able to have video. Okay, right? I don't have video now. So there's no video on this now. Why? Because it is turned what? It is turned off. So next time you do what? You click on this and turn off your audio. Alright, thank you very much. I remember myself, Zaka Shamaki, and I also bring more video your way again. Thank you.